Hi there, this is Lindsay from Bella Sheet Creative Photoshop Actions, and I'm going to walk you through really quick how to install your new actions into Photoshop Elements. So I'm working with Photoshop Elements 11, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to grab the social media quick set. Just grab them wherever you have them saved to or downloaded to. I'm going to copy. Now I'm working on Windows 8, but I know that this also works for Windows 7. I believe it's pretty much the same process, or it's a similar process for XP. And I will also get a tutorial up for Mac. So I went to Computer, Operating System, and then you want to find the hidden file, which is Program Data. And then we're just going to go into Adobe. I'm going to go to Photoshop Elements. Now you might have a 8.0, 9.0, 10, 11, or possibly even 12. I'm working in version 11, so I'm going to click on the 11 here. And then I'm going to go to Photo Creations and Photo Effects. And I'm just going to simply paste everything in here, just like so. And all right, there's my good stuff there. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. Now, one of two things is going to happen. Either I'm going to open up Photoshop Elements 11 and I'm going to see my actions, or I'm not. We're going to hope that we see the actions. If we don't, then I'm going to show you how to rebuild the metabase. It's very, very easy, or I'm sorry, the database. Okay, so let's get this to open for us here. And photo editor. All right. So the first thing I want to do is click on filters. It kind of helps to refresh everything here. Now I want to click on back to effects, and then I want to look in this drop down menu for my set. One really nice thing about our actions is that they do all group together so that you don't have to find them scattered all over the place when you go to show all. You could look for them this way, but the best way to do it is going to be to go right here, social media quick set PSE, and there they are. Very simple, very easy. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at lindsayking@live.com or bellasheetcreative@outlook.com. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. If for whatever reason, we're going to close out of that. If for whatever reason you went in there and you didn't see the actions, this is what you would need to do. And I'm not going to do it because my actions are in there, but you're going to go to Program Data, just like we did, Adobe, back to Photoshop Elements 11.0 or whatever version you're using, and then I want you to look for the thumb database. Now I have two files here, and I'm actually going to delete this one in just a second, but this is very, very simple. Actually, I'll delete that one now. So what you would want to do, hang on, I'm going to delete this and then I can go back and show you. So what you would want to do here is, if you're not seeing the actions and you know that you installed them, you're going to simply do this. Just click on this and click rename. Now you could delete it if you felt comfortable with that, but I've never deleted it. I always just rename it because for whatever reason it makes my OCD feel a little bit better. So I just say old. Now you have to also rename its sister file, which is located in locale and then en_US. And we're going to rename this one. And we're going to rename it, whoops, old also. And what that's going to do is, by changing the file name, it is forcing Photoshop Elements to create a new media database. So it's going to basically rebuild so that you can see all of your actions in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. I'm going to open Photoshop Elements 11. Oh, thank goodness it's Friday. And now what's going to happen is it's going to take probably anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on just how much it needs to build back up. But what's going to happen is you're going to see this screen. It's going to look like it's loading forever. I promise you it's not stalling out. So do not try to X out. Don't try to escape. The best thing I can tell you is get up, walk away, go fold a little bit of laundry, do some dishes. I don't know, find something productive to do for the next 10 or 15 minutes. But whatever you do, don't try to close out Elements because there's nothing wrong with it. It's rebuilding right now. So we're going to leave it just like that, and I will show you in just a minute what happens. All right, so now my Photoshop Elements has opened back up, and now we are all set to go. So When I went ahead and did that, I had noticed that my my one hit wow was showing up with one of the random, let me show you. It was showing up with a tree instead of my, I can't even think, instead of my image, instead of my thumbnail. There we go. The thumbnail that was perfectly made to go into Photoshop Elements. So one really great thing is sometimes if you have a little glitch with one thing and everything's showing up in there, but maybe instead of your thumbnail showing up, you've got the tree from Photoshop Elements. When you go ahead and you fix those databases, then everything should kind of go back to how it's supposed to go. So that's it. Happy Friday. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful weekend. Make sure you come visit us at www.bellachiccreative.com and snag up the sale on Dirty Chic, One Hit Wow, One Hit Wonder, Bella Enchanted, and Black Justice. Thanks so much. Have a great day.